Hey, Miss Sophomore. How you doing today? What's going on? Happy New Year. A little belated, but hey. I've been pretty good. Can't complain. Well, I'm doing a 2-mile tune-up because I'm getting ready for the Newport News Half Marathon this Sunday in Newport News, Virginia. And then 6 days after that, I got the River City Half Marathon in Richmond. Boy, I got a loaded slate of races this first half of the year. Well, I'm going to train as hard as I can, trying to drop a couple pounds, but I'm doing the thing. Oh, okay. Well, take care, Ms. Ahmar, and I will talk to you soon, and I will stay hydrated. Bye now.